This is the fourth video in a series about a trip to the island of Koh Chang, Thailand, made in February of 2025. This video covers the west and south sides of the island as seen during a van tour. The north and east sides are covered in the third video of this series, and the trip from Bangkok to Koh Chang is covered in the first video. Koh Chang is very mountainous. After leaving the north end of the island, the main road crosses a mountain spur before descending to the white sand beach area. This is a viewpoint at the top of that spur, White Sand Beach Viewpoint, stop number 6 on the map. We are looking south past almost the entire west coast of Koh Chang here. In the distance, the islands adjacent to the Kai Bai Viewpoint are seen. These islands are visible slightly to the north of the Bailon Beach Resort where I stayed, as seen in my video. The longest, most luxurious stretch of sand on the island, Hat Sai Khao, is universally known as White Sand Beach, a developed strip packed with package tour hotels and serious sunbathers. Along the main road, the village is busy and brash, but comes with all the necessary amenities, including gas stations, banks, and supermarkets. The next stop was Elephant Camp, called Feed the Elephants, stop number 7 on the map. Here, food for the elephants cost 50 baht for a basket. You don't have to worry about overfeeding them because they eat 450 pounds of food per day. Elephants are the largest land-based animal on Earth, with the African subspecies being the largest. Elephants in Thailand are of the Asian subspecies and can live to 70 years in the wild. On average, males weigh 11,000 pounds and females weigh 6,000 pounds. On this tour, we only saw the roadside portion of this establishment, which extends inland and offers bathing with elephants and full-blown elephant safaris. Riding elephants is increasingly frowned upon and considered unethical in Thailand by animal welfare organizations and many tourists due to the severe animal cruelty involved in taming and training elephants for this purpose, which includes physical abuse and unnatural living conditions. Tourists are encouraged to support ethical elephant sanctuaries that prioritize the animal's well-being and natural behaviors over rides and shows, such as observing elephants playing, swimming, or foraging. I have a video published on this channel about an elephant observation trip in Kui Buri National Park, Thailand, out of Hua Hin. Trips such as this are a really cool way to experience elephants in their natural state, and there are a lot of these available in Thailand. These are huge, majestic creatures, and tourists can help keep them that way by choosing to experience them in a humane and natural way. Stop 8 on the map was Khlong Phlu Waterfall in Kho Chang National Park. As seen in the placard of Koh Chang, this land and marine park covers the entire archipelago and protects much of the central part of the island. Conservation efforts are a bit haphazard, but you will be required to pay the park 200 baht or $3 US entrance fee when visiting some of the waterfalls, including Khlong Phlu and Tan Mayon. Khlong Phlu is the island's biggest and most impressive waterfall. It is a 3-tiered cascade with a pool where you can swim with fish. The trailhead is easily accessible via a 1.5 kilometer access road from Ao Klong Prao Beach. This is where the Feed the Elephant stop was. The trail to the waterfall is 600 meters long with fixed ropes to assist you over the steeper sections. It would be a lot trickier if it was raining. I was still walking with a cane at the time from a knee injury, so I was hesitant to try it, but Kun Domino assured me that it was easy. It was a lot harder than that, with a lot of tree roots, steep steps, and tricky ground. I was slow, but eventually made it, and I was thankful to be able to see this majestic waterfall. This cascade is most impressive after the rainy season, which ends in October, and more pleasant in the morning before the crowds arrive. Next was stop number 9 on the map, the Kai Bai Viewpoint. This is one of the postcard views of the island. From the viewpoint, you look down on Seaview Resort, and you may see monkeys in the trees. The best time for photos is before mid-morning, as the sun will be behind you, or at sunset. There is a large parking area and a coffee shop here. The islands viewed from here are from left to right: Koh Man Nai, Koh Man Nok, Koh Pli, and Koh Yak. This is the group visible from both the White Sands Beach viewpoint to the north and the Bailon Beach Resort. The final stop in this tour was stop number 10, Ghost Ship Koh Chang on the map. The Koh Chang Ghost Ship was an abandoned hotel shaped like a cruise ship that was a popular tourist attraction known for its eerie atmosphere and local legends. The abandoned ship had a reputation for being haunted, with local rumors and stories contributing to its mysterious and spooky charm. The ship that was repurposed into the Koh Chang Grand Laguna project was named the Galaxy and was a Galaxy cruise ship. This 7-deck, 70-room cruise ship was converted into a 5-star floating hotel with 200 rooms. It was bought by a Thai billionaire who transformed it into a luxury floating hotel. The hotel, which opened in 1992, was once popular. After operating for 13 years, the hotel ceased operations due to an economic slowdown around 2005. From then on, it was a tourist attraction, with visitors being allowed inside to see it, but it was not operated as a hotel then. On December 3, 2024, the ship was destroyed by a large fire, which brought its history to an abrupt end and left only charred remains. The blaze caused significant damage, consuming the vessel and ending its history as a tourist attraction. The fire reportedly started on the lower level and spread quickly. It is believed to have been caused by welding repairs being performed on the ship just before the fire began. The fire caused significant damage to the 7-story vessel, destroying the iconic landmark and making it unlikely to reopen to visitors permanently. The ship was left to smolder for weeks after the fire and then began to be dismantled in mid-2025, with only the hull remaining at that time. My visit here was in February of 2025, so this was only 2 months after the fire. There is an abandoned swimming pool and front desk reception area still standing to the left of where I am walking. It appeared to be quite luxurious in its day. This video culminates the 5-day trip I took to Koh Chang in February of 2025. It was a busy but enjoyable trip for me, and I think shows a good perspective of what the island has to offer. I hope you enjoy this series and will check out my other videos of my travels throughout Thailand.